Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable print preview in Paint. So if you want to use it, you need to go to the left upper corner and you need to click on File. After that, you need to go to Print, and here you can open Print Preview. So I click here to preview and make changes before printing, and how you see this mode has been successfully enabled now. So if you would like to close it, you need to click on this one option. It will let you to close Print Preview. And the second method to enable print preview is based on the special icon. So we need to click here to customize quick access toolbar, and then we need to enable here print preview. Now we need to click on this one icon and the effect will be the same. Of course, in this mode you can print, you can set page setup, you can zoom in, zoom out and use other options. So it is how it works. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it's a software problem.